Hey my beautiful people, I am back again. I told you I got a bunch of boxes. We got my wireless vacuum cleaner, my electric cleaning brush, and my selfie stick. First of all, this vacuum cleaner took 11 days to get to my house. I literally ordered it on December 29th. So let's start with the selfie stick first. As you can see, I have a professional camera tripod. So I'm hoping this selfie stick can stand up to my tripod and do what it was supposed to do. But I love all the little pieces it's got in here. It has like a little stand that will automatically track your movement, and I already have one, so now I end up having two, and I love that for me. But yeah, let me show you a little bit how the selfie stick works. You pull it out, and this metal rod is sturdy, guys. I mean super sturdy. It has an automatic remote to turn your camera off and on. I absolutely love it. The adapters on top is either for a camera, your automatic tracker, or it could be used for your cell phone, whether you want it horizontal or vertical. I love it. It's very versatile. Yes, this scrub brush I am excited about. Look at all these pieces. You got the big scrubber. You got all these tiny little scrubbers. Love it. You can clean your bathroom, your tub, your sink. I can scrub floors with this. Look at all these pieces. I cannot wait to do my Sunday reset. Love this tool. I cannot wait to use it. So I'm excited. I've never been so excited about cleaning my house before. Okay, let's get into this cordless vacuum that took about a month to get to my home. Don't make no damn sense. I'm a little salty about that still. But anyway, check out this vibrant blue color. Love it. This is supposed to be like a Dyson dupe cordless. Look at all these parts. I can clean up high, down low, in between my couches. What I'm happy about is to get my steps. Now I can vacuum my steps easily with no cords tying me up. I love this. I cannot wait. Okay, let me go put these batteries on the charger so I can start my Sunday reset. Toodles!